আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আল্লাহ পাক খুব ভালো আছে।
ভালো আছেন, যাই মাশাআল্লাহ। আচ্ছা ঠিক। Hello everyone, I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I'm going to show you what is the price of vegetable. You can see this is market of vegetables market. So cucumber, potato, tomato, green chili. So now I'm going to show you what is the price today. So let's go. And you can see there are a lot of farmer and businessmen are selling and buying. So now I will ask them what is the price cauliflower and radish. This is cauliflower. There are a lot of cauliflower in this case. So farmer said 40 kg just 800 taka. And you can see this is a radish. These are radish. So 40 kg just 400 taka only. You can see this is gourd or pumpkin. So this time this is bean. Binjal price 1800 taka just